How to make primary device on PS4. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can make our PS4 account again a primary account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So let's understand first what is this primary thing. So let's say you resetted your PS4, or maybe you switched and upgraded your PS4 and you're trying to log in the same PSN account, and if you had purchased a game with a real money, and if you want to download them again, you have to restore the licenses, and for that you have to make that device your primary device, otherwise it will not let you download it, right? So if you switch your PS4 console, if you reset it, you have to restore the licenses and activate as primary so that you can get all of the games that you purchase again. And to do that, you have to simply go to the settings option. Then from settings you can simply go to account management. From account management you can see activate as your primary PS4. You can click on it, and all you have to do is click on activate. If it's already activated, it will get grayed out, so you don't have to do anything. Another thing is, if you happen to purchase anything, go to restore licenses and click on the restore option if you are unable to download the PlayStation Store. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically make your primary device on PS4. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.